Hello viewers, welcome to this session. In this session, we will see two things. The first one is how to create a professional looking spreadsheet, and the other one is how to set up macros. We will see these two things now. This is normal Excel sheet that you see on your computer. To create a professional looking spreadsheet, we may change this workspace to white as we have seen in our previous video. So to change this workspace to a smooth white color background, we can easily select this by clicking here. We select entire workspace, or simply by clicking control plus A, we can select the entire column, and then we go to, after selecting entire workspace, we go to color background here. Fill color background. We select the white color here, the white background. Here it comes, and then again we may even need to set up the font type. We may be interested in Times Roman New, or any font type is okay. And let's set font size 12. Okay, and then let me give title for this table format. This is just my given title. So let's change the color for this dark blue, and then let's also give thick border, bottom border. We can do like this. Yes, if the table is big enough, we may start and do like this. Thick bottom border, and we can also change the bottom border to dark blue as we want. And then you see it looks good. And we may start writing what we want here. Numbers can be type here, column can be product, or here you may need to write price, cost, anything you want. So in this way we may create a professional looking table. So this is something very easy, and yeah, it's for someone who starts using Excel. And let's see something important, which is macro. Macro is one of very important tools in Excel. How can we set up macro, especially if we are working with repetitive tasks? How can we set up macros and save our time? Macros helps us to save our time, and also facilitate our operation, our tasks on the Excel sheet. So let's go to the new Excel sheet and then set up macros. Usually we may set up macros by going through the setup here, but since we have already I have set up a macro, I directly go to developer. Under developer we have here a record macro. Yeah, by clicking record macro, everything that I'm going to do on this worksheet will be saved. It will be recorded. So let me start recording the macro, and let me give the generic name for this. This is my macro. There should be no space when you give macro name. Then my macro 2, let me say, and then let's adjust the column width, and then let's change this to white background we have here, and then let's do table formatting. If we are using this kind of table formatting for let's say this is year and year, like you have January, you have February, you have March. So let's change the title of the column. It's sorry, I made a mistake here. Yeah, it's now change it to dark blue. We may even put it on bold, and then we may need to put bottom border for this one to make it more attractive. Depends on what kind of table format we are looking for. So let's make like this, and then if we have like 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025, and let's put this to the right, to the left corner, and then if we keep recording things on annual basis in each month, this is just for the example. Instead of creating this thing again and again in each month or in each week, we can simply set a macro and use it for our future reference whenever we need to record something. So yes, let's stop here. This is just a table format that we need to maintain for our future use. And then let me stop recording this macro. Right. So it means this table format is already saved. It's already saved in the Excel sheet. It's already saved. So if I want to open this macro for the next month's recording, I may need to simply let's say we have this new Excel sheet. In this new Excel sheet, I don't need to set up the same table here for the same tasks. So I directly go to developer and then macros, and then I go to the macro I have set. We set here in this example my macro 2. So I select it and then I run it. So in this way we can easily uh, uh, facilitate our Excel work and save our time. Instead of creating or doing the same thing again and again, we can simply set it in a macro. It can be a formula, it can be table format like this, or it can be anything that is repeatedly done. We can simply put in this way and then use it whenever we need it. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for your time. uh, I hope you have learned something. You may give a like or subscribe. Thank you for your time. See you with another video. Thank you.